Oh, you're very welcome. You're very welcome.
Excuse me, lady.
It's okay.
It's a 911.
Okay. Just let them know it's at the intersection of Middle Belt and on the train tracks on Middle Belt.
Miss, would you like an ambulance?
Yeah. Tell them to roll EMS.
Yes, you like an ambulance. Yes, you say yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
What do you feel, lady?
I feel some blood coming out of here.
Blood coming out from your right arm. She's
Left
with a
arm.
jacket.
Left arm.
Feeling all right? How you feeling?
Yeah, left arm.
How's you feeling?
From her, she
Okay,
say
here.
it's blood coming
Here,
out.
right in here.
Left
I can
arm.
tell it's bleeding.
Okay. Well,
Burning
we got
and bleeding.
EMS rolled out,
Already.
and you're gonna be fine.
Miss, it's an ambulance in your way. Here is some water. Would you like some water?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
Thanks,
I'm
buddy. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm the one driving the truck.
I've never been in an accident before. I've never caused one.
Don't.
That's what you get,
Don't.
Anna says there's another reason for approving amendments. In some places, ballots are a little bit
Make this shorter and easier for people.
There's just one rule the commission has to follow. According to the Florida Constitution, the title and the summary of the amendment need to be clearly understood.
My baby, when I come home, everybody wanna have a song. Well, I got the recipe. I'm sipping on Bella, cause it make me feel like I'm on ecstasy. I love my baby when I come home.
Whoa, damn. Oh, shnikes. Wow. I actually caught something on the dash cam. Whoa. Why don't you pull over, dog?
Why did I say that?
It was fun though.
I bet.
I bet
you mean like no?
All
There's someone
sorts
running
of
for
people
some kind of
Ubering.
office.
Yeah.
Their last name's Barrington.
I thought you were talking about Barrington and Alexis.
We are. We said,
Oh
oh no,
my
Barrington's
God.
taking.
Oh,
What?
shit.
They hit him.
Oh yeah, they just hit each other.
Damn it! I missed
Oh,
it. Poor guy.
I saw a bad wreck here last semester. God, why were they turning?
She's yelling. Oh no, she's not. I'm being dramatic.
I wonder if he
Why are there so? Did he?
Yep.
검증할 수밖에 없지만 수습을 잘 못했다는 거예요. 그러니까 뭐냐면 인적 청산도 하고 당 내부 혁신을 굉장히 가열차게 해야 새로운 인물들이 들어오기 시작할 거고 그런 흐름 속에서 이후에 특기 부대 또한 껴안는 거예요. 이미지를 바꾼 다음에 그렇습니다. 태극기 부대부터 끌어안는다. 왜냐면 지지율이 오르지 않고 긍정성 굉장히 정확한 분석이에요. 그러니까 그렇지만 샤랄라가 더 기억에 남습니다. 태극기 부대니까 부대장과 잘 이야기를 하면 되잖아요. 부대장이 누굽니까? 조원진 대표인가요? 애국당에? 그건 알 수 있습니다. 그리고 이게 태극기 부대가 들어오면요 실질적으로 당내에서 비박이라고 이야기하는 사람들